Welcome back to another video. Got another Simplex system here we've taken out, and I'll unbox all these parts we got, and I'll also show the panel at the end. So these will be inventoried and listed. If they're not already held or sold by the end of this video, just drop a comment or put in the Discord server what you're looking to do. And I'll just start right off. This is a horn. These will go quick, 2901, 9838. Duct detector housing along with some parts. Covers are not here, so I'll probably toss the backing of the housing, take out the base, the smoke, and the board. And I'll just get to these parts here. This is a 2098-9201 smoke. These go pretty much immediately. Actually, these have already sold. I only had 2 of them. This is a 477-699 base, and this part number for this housing board, it says 3890. Not sure if that's it or not, but let's carry on here. There's a strobe and a horn connected still. The horn, see if I can find this part number. I think it's just the 2901-9840. And then the strobe is should be a 4903-9101. This is just flipped. You can take this out, flip it around. There's a pull station, 4251-20. And looks like missing some screws here for this terminal block. Should still all be fine though. Yeah, here's the strobe part number, 4903-9101. So same one there. And this is a 4901-9811. I believe this one and this strobe I have yet to get before. It looks like they had these mounted like so. This horn looks a little different. Let me know. I don't see a part number. Let me know in the comments if you have a part number for this horn. Cover is the same, but not the backing here. It says piezo horn 565880. There's a heat detector. $2098-9439, and along with the base. Here's a strobe. Should be 4904, I believe, 9101. I don't see the part number here. There's the last pull station. No sticker, so I'm assuming it's just a 4251-20. And we have some I3s left. 2WB, 2W-B, along with the base. Now these smokes I do sell with the base. Maybe not that one. And here's the panel. This is a 4001 from Simplex. I'll open it up here. Enclosure is a little beat here on the bottom, but I'll just go over quickly. There's the board, along with the transformer. Now this one is missing screws to screw it into the enclosure. Most likely this will be sold all in one in the enclosure. That's all for this system here. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.